Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you a free open source software with the help of which you can disable your Windows update permanently. So the software name is SimpleWall here. So basically if you go to Google and search for this product, SimpleWall. So basically this is an open source software which is developed by a person, Henry++. So the very first link which comes in, you need to click this link, and this is a software which is an open source software. You need not have to pay anything here. So if you drag down, you will find the download link for the Windows here. So this is your second link. So click on the setup file. This is a exe file, executable file, and then it will install this installer. So now just install this software, which is a very simple installation process. Click next, and then this software will be installed on your computer. So when you launch it, let me just show you how is the interface of the software. So basically this is a very simple software which blocks all the programs which requires internet access. So basically you can see apps with internet access. You can just grant permission to explicit programs which requires internet. So when you launch the program for the very first time, go to the settings option here, and here you need to check marks this option here, which is load on system startup. So this simply means that whenever your system boots up for the very first time, this software will automatically run. You need not have to explicitly start it. So make sure that you check this check mark, and then you need to click the close menu. And now let me just show you how this software works. Let me just close all the programs here which it is requiring the internet access. So when you launch it for the very first time, no programs will be listed here which is having the internet access except with this simple wall. And now if you close it, and now if I close the Chrome window, and now if I start the Chrome window, it will show me this. If I load it, if I open the website here, you will see your internet access is blocked here. You can see now we need to explicitly go into our software here, which is SimpleWall, and here we can grant the permission. You can see check mark this chrome.exe, and now the Chrome is listed here inside this internet access. Now if I reload it, your Chrome application will work. So basically this is a firewall which prevents programs from unnecessarily updating, which requires an internet access. And now let me just show you the fun part. If you go to the settings here, options here, inside your update and security, here Windows automatically updates. So basically this slows down your computer, so this software will help. And now if I click the resume update option, now it will see, you can see there were some problems installing updates, but we will try again later. So this is happening because we have blocked this program. You can see it is not uh, it is not starting the update process because we have blocked it inside our simple wall. So whenever you launch the application, make sure you only allow the access to the programs that you only want. So you just need to, so first of all, you need to, after you add your programs, you need to click on this option which will enable your filters. So now I have already enabled this. So this is the option which is coming here. You need to disable it. So make sure that you click this option which will enable the filters. So all the programs listed here inside this apps with internet access will be able to uh, make requests to the internet. All these programs which are listed here will not be able to. So make sure. So let's suppose I have a PUBG game which is there, PUBG PC game, which also requires internet access. So this is PUBG Lite. So now if I launch this application, now once again it will not start because you can see this has showed me a message that SimpleWall has blocked connection to of this app. Now explicitly we can allow this connection if we want to. If we don't allow to, we can block this. But if I want to start the game, I need the internet connection, and then I can click the allow button, then my program will start. And also here you can see where I am recording my video, OBS Studio. This also wants internet connection, so I will just allow it also. You can see So in this way, we can explicitly allow programs or disable programs whenever they want internet access. So this is a very awesome program, guys. I will highly recommend that you install this on your computer to make sure that you disable the Windows Update permanently. I have tested this program and I have got great results when it comes to Windows Update. As you know, Windows Update slows down your computer a lot and it makes your computer unresponsive. So I will highly recommend that you install this free open source software in SimpleWall. This will block your Windows updates permanently and you will enjoy a far more smoother experience in Windows. So if you like this video, guys, then please hit the like button. The link of this software will be there inside the video description, or you can just Google it, SimpleWall, and you will find this software. So just download this on your computer and please comment on this video how you like the video, and I will be seeing you in the next video.